Been living alone here for, what, 6 years? Ever since the scandal that ruined her career.
Are you kidding? That's the perfect marriage.
Well, I'm sorry to burst your bubble of finely aged cynicism, but the Yates are genuinely crazy about it. They're the proverbial power couple. Valentina was always Don's most trusted advisor and vice versa.
And
For more than 2 decades, New York baseball.
Huh? Okay.
The firm quickly amassed an impressive client roster, counting such corporate behemoths as top investment.
Mr. Yates, it's Aaron, sir, from the firm. I came as quickly as I could. Yes, sir, I have the file. Sorry it took so long, but I had to access our remote server to print everything, and I couldn't get my VPN to... Right. Sorry, sir. I'll be right inside.
Oh, it's just that one of Yates's clients.
Bienvenidos to Viñeda Yates. May I see your invitation, please? Gracias, señor. Enjoy the party.
Evening, señor. Would you care for an aperitif?
Thank you all this time, Leo. That
Hi. Whatever.
Tamara Vidal. I'm here for the tour, it seems.
Ah, yes. Miss Vidal. My apologies. I didn't recognize you. Let me sign you in.
Corvo, got a message from the boss. Duty calls.
Let me use the button. Right.
Not just the pub, right? We're talking deep. The whole place looks like a horror film. Better not, mate. Don't want to know what's going to happen. Okay. You are good to go. Excuse me, sir. Seems like you're not cleared to come through here. Sorry. But if I'm gonna be one of these terrorists, you need to start letting me in. Okay. So who's this for?
Weird. What was that? Hello? Someone there? Hello?